Ava, what's Truman doing? She's almost dying. She's like,
She's choking on her bacon.
that's a funny thing, Ava.
She's still trying to eat her bacon.
Yeah.
Right.
Was that funny, Ava?
Want more? It's right there.